Welcome to Berlin Felsi Oracle. Today I am here with the Keepers of the Light, and today I got this Shikina card. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it right, but what I'm getting is that you are going to see your true self, sacred self. It's time you accept all the readings, whatever I've channeled today was about acceptance of yourself. So I'm getting the same thing. The Keepers of the Lights are coming to tell you that it's time you accept yourself fully and completely, which will help you unlock gifts within you. You have maybe a gift of vision, or it could be a gift, your third eye is opening, or it could be a gift of speech, voice, something that is getting unlocked, or you already had that gift, you possess that gift, but because you didn't accept yourself, your gift was off, it was turned off. But now I feel like it's going to be turned back on, and it's going to be brighter than ever, because can you see the sun also on my hand? It's going to be brighter than ever. It's going to be something that going to make your heart full. Okay, so I want you to accept whatever gift is coming through. Do not be afraid of your gifts. Your gifts are here to help you, guide you, and to help you go closer to your destiny. So I feel like part of you need to dance with it instead of ignoring it. The next card that I got is higher learning. Either you're going to be learning from another person, or you're going to find out something about yourself because of the experience that you've had in your life. Okay, these experiences have molded you into the person you are today. So either you're getting a higher learning or understanding, because in the past you maybe not at that level of consciousness, so you couldn't understand what was happening in your life, or why you were going through that, or what was happening at that point of your life, or why you had to go through a lot of those lessons over there. But now you are going to understand why and what and how. And if you don't know what it is, or what I'm trying to tell you, you can journal about it, so that you understand. There is some inner study that you need to do. If you want help with this also, I have my Butterfly Alchemy course, which helps you understand your inner child, understand, unlock or unlearn things that no longer serve you. So that is something I feel like either you're going to find a mentor, you can come to me, or you can go to anybody else, but it's going to be a mentor who's going to help you unlock your true potential, or either you are going to unlock your true potential. I feel like there's some study that you need to do, either study about yourself or study of something greater than yourself. Also, it could be something which you have ignored all your life, and now you will come to know more better about it. The next card also I'm getting is Lady Venus. You're getting a lot of downloads and understanding, so the truth has been revealed. There is a lot of truth that is coming to surface. Whoever is watching this video, you are going to get downloads about yourself. That is what I'm telling you, that if you do this inner study, if you learn about yourself, you will get a lot of answers. All the answers are within you, and these answers are coming very strongly at this moment. Whoever watching this video, you are going to get messages or deep insight from heaven or the astral realm. So make sure you are paying attention to your dreams as well. If you remember, write it down also, so that you understand. Try understanding your dreams. You will have some hidden downloads in your dreams as well. I'm going to stop it over here. If anybody needs more personal readings, please do message me.